My name is Jeannie Cullen Schultz, and I'm a fifth-generation family business owner and employee at J.P. Cullen. When I think about J.P. Cullen, I think about builders first, and builders as a family business.
My great-great-grandfather started the company back in 1892, and his first project was a house in Janesville, Wisconsin. And you see all these wonderful buildings that we've built around the community, and knowing all of the people who have worked on those projects, you just feel a great sense of pride.
That's an incredible fortunate position that we're in, but also, a challenging one to continue to make sure as a family we take care of our employees and take care of them not just today, but for future generations to come.
So I started full-time at J.P. Cullen back in 2016, so it's almost been 6 years. My husband and I moved out to California, and I had the opportunity to work for an architecture and engineering firm. That's kind of when I realized I want to be a part of this. I want to have the opportunity to work with my brother, with my sister, with my cousins, and at the time, my grandpa and my dad and my two uncles were all still very involved in the family business.
J.P. Cullen has been a long-standing member with the Family Business Center, and I can remember being members as long as I have been in the business, which is 11 years, but now as the fifth generation, we continue to be members and feel very blessed to have this great resource.
I really enjoy coming to the monthly programs that the staff puts on. Everybody is able to just work together and share best practices, share their lessons learned, and really respect each other. And you can trust that the person next to you is going to give you good counsel and then respect what you're saying and help you along the way.
They offer something for everybody, regardless of where you and your family business is at. There's a program that will be a fit for you.